today we are going to do how to draw, and what we're going to show you, Peppa Pig. That's what we're going to show you, how to draw, aren't we? And who are you? Mya. How old are you? 47. Four. So we're going to do this and it's going to be really good, yeah? Are you ready? Right. So Peppa Pig, quite a tricky little pig to draw, okay? So what we want to do, we'll start with her head, okay? And the big part of her head is mainly a big circle. Okay, so we're going to draw a big circle. You're going to draw a big circle? You ready? Watch me. I'm going to draw mine first. I'm going to start at the top over here. And I'll come round and down and round and all the way back up. Did you draw a big circle? Big, 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 big. Lovely, lovely, lovely circle. That's a beauty, isn't it? Then we're going to draw another circle floating up here like if it was a moon. That's going to be the end of our nose, right? So it's just a little bit up here. Now it doesn't really matter where you put this circle because we can join it up and it'll always look like Peppa. Okay, but it's a nice, almost like a squashed circle, a bit like an egg. You ready? I'm going to put mine here. Ooh, see? Eggy shape. Yeah, you put a bit further over and put your eggy shape around here. Yeah? Nice and big, go on. That's it, bit bigger, bit bigger, bit bigger, keep going. Round, back up. Oh, perfect! Excellent egg shape. I love it. Right, now we're going to draw two lines, okay? From the top of our egg to the top of the ball. Yeah? You ready? I'm going to draw mine first. You ready? You watching? Ooh, over, like that. That's it, go on. Oop, you've gone a bit high there. Let's do it a bit straighter, like along that line. You need to go along that line. Perfect. Brilliant. Now, why do we use pencils?
So we can rub out.
Yes, because it's not a problem if you're using pencil. Is it? You can just go like that and you can do it 100 times. It's not a problem at all. Perfect, isn't it? Now when we're done anyway, when we've done with the pencil, we're going to use Sharpies to draw the black lines in. Another little line. You ready? And from the bottom of our egg, and it's going to come across to over here. Can you do that? From the bottom to over here. Catch my pencil here. Catch it, take it. That's good. That's good. Right, let's do some eyes. Peppa's eye, our first one, she's got funny pig. It looks like she's got eyes on the same side of her head. Weird. So we want an eye around about here. We're going to draw a big circle here for one eye and then another one over here. Right, so we'll watch it. Here we go. Big circle. Like that. And then we're going to move over a little bit. And we'll draw another circle. Like that. So you want one here, like that, and then one over here, like that. Nice and big, roundy round. Wonderful. That's spot on. Professional circle drawer, aren't you? You're very good. What does she have on the top of her head, Peppa? Horns.
Ears.
Ears! Right, so we're going to do one here. So she's got her first ear just up here. Don't worry if you go over the lines, because Peppa Pig is drawn a bit funny. And a lot of her lines actually go over the other lines. So we're going to draw one here, like a big bump, like a marshmallow, of a top of a mushroom.
Or a hill.
Of a hill! Peppa Pig lives on a hill, doesn't she? Yeah, so a big hill like where our house is, on top of her head. Perfect. And you're going to put another one over here for other ear. Up, 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 up. Who's that? It's starting to look like Peppa. And where does she put her food? In her ear? In her tummy? How does it get in her tummy? Where does she put it first?
Mouth.
In her mouth. Is she a happy pig or a sad pig?
Happy.
Happy pig. Ready? Here we go. Let's give her a nice Peppa smile. You gonna do yours? Big Peppa smile. I love it. It's so cute. And she's got rosy cheeks, so we'll draw a nice circle here for our rosy cheeks up here. Wonderful. That's beautiful. Right, should we do some dots for eyes and noses? Yeah. Right, so she's got 2 dots at the end of her nose. We'll do like that, colour it in. Like that, colour it in. You do 1 there and 1 there. I think yours is better than mine. And now, let's put some here and here so it makes her look like she's looking around. Now, if you move where the black dots are for her eyes, it makes her look like if she's looking around. So if you put them on the other side of a circle, it makes it look like she's looking one way. If you put them on the other side, it makes her look like she's looking backwards. So is she looking forwards? I think so. So 1 there and 1 there. Beautiful. That is such a happy pig, isn't it? Right, should we draw her body?
Yep.
Now she's got a funny little body. It's like almost like a little tent. The shape of her body comes down and then it's flat on the bottom and then it goes back up. Right? So this is a little bit tricky. You ready? Here we go. Down, along, and then it goes back up on this side. Yeah? So it comes down. Come on, down, 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 down. Lovely. Keep going a bit more. Okay, that's fine. She's got a little body. And back up. Excellent! Her arms are easy. Peppa Pig's arms goes out, and so she's got 1 finger, 2 finger, and it's same on this side as well. That's it. Looks like a fork. Brilliant. And she's got that on this side as well. Oh, yours is waving. She's going, hello. And then, what does she need at the bottom of here? Wheels. Feet. Oh, right, okay. Feet are easy. Just a line down and another line down. And then, she's got little, kind of look like leaves. We'll colour them in like that. That's it. And then you want another one here. That's it. Comes out. Draw feet. Oh, she's got little feet. Can you remember when she got new shoes, Peppa? Maybe you could do her shoes red when she got her new shoes. And then we're going to draw this one down, all the way down to the same. So her legs are the same length. Otherwise she'd be a wonky pig. Then out for her feet. Beautiful. And then, what's very important, what goes out here, curly, what makes it look like she's a pig?
Tail.
A tail. And what type of tail does a pig have? Is it a straight tail? Curly. Like a curly whirly. You ready? Here we go. Around and back. You're going to do one around and down. Along. Up. Around. Go on. Keep going up and back down. Over here. Yeah, there you go. You did it. Right. Let's do our lines in black and we'll rub out all the pencil and then we'll be back. Look at those. Lovely. All of our outlines done. We've gone round and we've rubbed out all the pencil marks and now we're going to colour them in and we've got a nice bag of pens.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes. Ready? Should we show everybody? And them all coloured in? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Wow, Maya, look how good yours is. I love how she's looking over here. She's going, hello, and with a little wave. Look, she's got the red shoes, hasn't she? I remember that when she got the red shoes. She went to the shoe shop and changed them. And there we go. So I've put just some muddy puddles at the bottom, just so you can see something a little bit different. We could have coloured the sky in blue, or you could have put mud on Peppa on her dress. But I love these, they're cool. Did you enjoy that? Yeah? I think they're brilliant. Which one's better? This one, I think. I think this one's great. Yeah? This one? Excellent. And remember, guys,
Stay awesome.
stay awesome. Yes. Bye-bye.